best way that I have found to sync video and audio, once you open up Final Cut Pro, create a new event, create a new project. Now upload both your video and audio. Now what you want to do is click on both the video and the audio, and you'd right click and you would hit synchronize clips. But I have found that it does not work as good as creating a new multi-cam clip. So do a new multi-cam clip. We can just call it video and audio sync. And now with this new synchronized clip, you can drag it into your timeline. A tip to help when doing this is to clap to help the audio sync better. And now you double click on this clip and it'll take you into both the video and the audio. And as you can see, it is now lined up. And when you go back here, you can right click, go to active audio. You want to click on your recorded audio. You now have your better audio playing. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing. And click here if you want to see another tutorial.